So, you have a great idea. You're going to turn the market upside down. Maybe make the world a better place. Or perhaps you just want to make our day-to-day lives a little easier. If you have the beginning of a great idea, our development workshop will make your dream a reality. An Ignys Dream It workshop is a day of excitement. A comprehensive, creative collaboration session. We'll strip your concept back to the bare basics, bounce it around the room, then build your project up. So you and the team can question the whys, the hows, and consider the project scope, potential, costs, and ultimately likely outcomes. Our feasibility process ensures you get the answers you need. We will add clarity to your next steps of product development by properly mapping out your project, as well as uncovering potential risks. Using a mix of technology, customer experience, ease of maintenance, and physical longevity to bring your concepts to life. We ensure your project is your success. You think you know where you want to go? Let us take you there.